Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet, but I do share my fitness journey, my family, and my faith here on this channel. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead, hang out a little bit with us. Just grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old yarny crochet talk. Well, let me get a drink real quick. I'm drinking Folgers today. Oh, it's so good. All right, so today's video is what I call Subscribers Spotlight Whip Caddy video. And what that is I get to showcase all the beautiful things that you guys are working on and some of your finished projects, your FOs, for the ones that post in the Pamela's Adoring Crochet Facebook group page. The link is in the description box below if you'd like to join the Facebook group page. And all you got to do, if you would like for your project to be, I guess, spotlighted on my channel, please feel free to go ahead and include at the top. I'm going to get this out here in a second. So if you post your picture, please at the top on your comment section say this is for Whip Caddy Wednesday, this is for the subscriber spotlight video, you know, something like that, so that I will know to include it in this video. And just tell us what you're working on. Tell us where you got the pattern and the yarn, if you can, the yarn that you are using for it. That gives all of us watching, it gives us ideas and things that we may want to see. Like I think last week there was a turtle game. Oh my gosh, I want to do the turtle game now. So see, if I had not seen that, I wouldn't know about that. So I enjoy showcasing all the beautiful things that you guys are working on for reasons like that. You give us ideas, and plus your work is just beautiful. I mean, you know, it's just beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and look at what I'm working on first, and I will hurry so we can get straight to you guys, to the subscriber spotlight. Well, I showed you guys an Annie's kit, I think maybe a couple weeks ago. This is the boho wall hanging. And I am going to make that. I thought maybe it could go on the back of my wall back here somewhere. I don't know. But I'm using the same Premier yarn, but I'm using it in different colors. Yeah, this is what I've got so far. Have right-handed and left-handed instructions for you guys. And I'm using an H hook for that. That's a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. The yarn I'm using is Premier Anti-Peeling Everyday Worsted Yarn. It's 153 yards in this, and they are a medium full weight. And so that's what I'm using. Most of Annie's kits use the Premier Anti-Peeling yarn for their projects, and I think that is so cool. So I have another kit that I just received from them, and I have not opened it up yet. So I'm going to open it up with you guys. Let's see what's in this kit this month. Now, these are the Hook and Needle Kit Club. So they are crochet and knit. So if you're a knitter, you can keep watching this too. Don't tune me out, because this is for crochet and knit. A monochrome lap gan. I think I'm going to like doing this. Wow. Okay, so this is the crochet version. And anyway, there is there's the knit version right there. So I'm hoping that the crochet, okay. Oh, thank goodness. I was hoping it wouldn't run. I kind of like having those little edges to it like that. See, that's pretty cool. All right, so let's look at the yarn for this guy. It takes 2 skeins. Not bad. Not bad at all. This is a bulky 5. I don't know what they're talking about, a bulky 5. That looks like a medium full weight to me, but oh well. So bulky 5, 280 yards, 75% acrylic and 25% wool. There it is right there. So it came with 2 of these. So yes, I am very excited to try this. But anyway, I'm looking forward to this one. I can't wait to get started on that. And as far as softness, it has a little bit of wool to it, but it's not real hard. It's not like that Red Heart yarn, you know, that's just, ugh, nobody can stand. Okay, guys, you've seen enough of my stuff, so let's go ahead and see what beautiful projects you subscribers have been working on.
Okay, so we are going to see what Rose has for her WIP Wednesday post. She has 2 projects going. It's the Granny Ripple by Hooked on Robin using Hirschner's worsted in oat gray, sea spray, and meadow. And the Heirloom Afghan by Sweet Baby Crochet, found in a library book, that she's using a Stanley cake, 80% cotton and 20% silk. And wow, Rose, those are both beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing those. Okay, here we have what Melinda's working on. She says, Happy WIP Wednesday. It has been extremely hot here in Virginia. First, she has a capelet by Sarah Sack. She used Red Heart Soft. And second is a throw using scraps for the flowers. And she said the other colors are from her stash and for everyone to stay cool. Well, you stay cool too, Melinda. And thank you for sharing those. Those are gorgeous. Okay, here we have what Patsy's working on. This is her WIP and her FO. She said this week she made a bottle cozy. The pattern's by Ninja Bunny Crochet on Etsy. She finished a blanket by Okie Girl Blingin' Things in the Mandela Ombre in the color Happy. And she has a 30 solid squares done on her Nordic Star Sunburst blanket. The pattern is by Naughty Krell on Etsy. And she says to have a good week, Yarny friends. Thank you so much, Patsy, for sharing. They are all beautiful. And I love that ombre color Happy. I actually made a shawl for someone and gifted it to them in that color. And it is just beautiful. Okay, here we have what Margaret's working on. And this is a star blanket for her sister that she's going to send her as a surprise. She's using a 6.0 millimeter crochet hook. And she said she's using the yarn in the colorway Denim's Ombre. Well, that is beautiful. And your sister is going to love that. Thank you so much, Margaret, for sharing.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for sharing that. I appreciate that. We all appreciate that. We need the ideas. All right, so let's go ahead and read our daily devotion right here. I have a link in the description box if you're interested in this book, and it's called Daily Strength for Women, a 365-day devotion. All right, so today it says, perseverance. Do not throw away this confident trust in the Lord. Remember the great reward it brings you. Patient endurance is what you need now, so that you will continue to do God's will. Then you will receive all that He has promised. Hebrews 10:35 and 36. Do you remember when you first decided to follow Christ? Maybe you felt like a huge weight was being lifted off you, or that the peace and joy you'd been searching for was finally yours. You were filled with excitement in your newfound life, and you felt ready to take on the world in the name of Jesus. Following God may come easy at first. We accept Him into our lives and are swept into His love with incredible hope. But as time goes on, old temptations return and threaten to shake our resolve. The confidence we felt in our relationship at first lessens as we wonder if we have what it takes to stick it out in this Christian life. Perhaps you have lost the confidence that you had at first. Or maybe you are still in that place of complete confidence and trust. Either way, can you step boldly forward into all that God has for you? Remain confident in Him. He will accomplish what He has promised. Well, guys, I really enjoyed reading this one for you guys. And that is so true about as time goes by, old temptations return. Sadly, they do. And they threaten to shake our resolve. And that is so true. The confidence that we felt in our relationship at first lessens as we wonder if we have what it takes to stick it out in this Christian life. But guys, I want to tell you that you do have what it takes. We're not going to let the old devil bring back those old temptations and make us feel like we're not worthy enough for God's love. because his word says that we are. I hope you have enjoyed this. I've enjoyed reading this to you. I feel like that was a really good one. And I hope it helps you. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to keep crocheting, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.